Challenges and impact. Bringing an NCE to market is no small task. The journey from discovery through preclinical studies and clinical trials is both costly and high risk. We believe Lucid-MS is worth the time and energy to pursue its clinical development. For patients, Lucid-MS could one day offer new hope by potentially restoring nerve function through targeted remyelination, improving mobility, cognitive function, and overall quality of life. Healthcare providers. Lucid-MS could one day expand treatment options with a novel science-driven approach that targets the root cause of MS-related neuronal nerve damage, enabling more effective patient care. Investors and industry partners creates opportunities for investment in groundbreaking therapeutics with high market potential, addressing a critical unmet need in the MS treatment landscape. Example of innovation. Consider Lucid-MS, our small molecule drug candidate. It demonstrates how targeted NCEs can pave the way for more efficient, precise, and effective treatments. The world's health challenges demand innovative solutions, and NCEs are essential to that future. At Quantum BioPharma, we are advancing science to save lives. I'm Jason Sawyer, Head of Finance, Mergers and Acquisitions at Quantum BioPharma. To learn more, visit our website at quantumbiopharma.com, where you can access our investor deck and explore detailed research insights. Thank you for tuning in.